welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm going to be making a drink. So I'm going to use some spinach, which I washed already, apples, cucumber, pineapple, broccoli. So guys, let's get into the prepping of the fruits and the vegetables. So guys, let me remove my apples, and we're gonna just slice our cucumbers just like this. I don't know, I'm gonna slice them because I don't know if the shoot on the juicer is big enough. So at least when I cut them like this, they will go down in the juicer. So I can just put them straight away in the section that we use for the carrots. So now we're gonna cut our broccoli. I'm not gonna use all of this, guys. I'm just gonna cut this thick part off, and then we're gonna use so I'll put the broccolis aside. I'll put them in the bowl here, and then as for my apples, these apples are a bit small. However, I don't want to core all of them. Let me see how much. Let me see the size. I can still core them. I'll core them then. I'll just do, because the pineapple is gonna give us a lot of fluid, and also the cucumber. And I'm gonna go outside, guys, to pick a piece of my kale from my garden. So we're gonna add kale to this, and you know kale has a lot of magnesium and it lowers the blood pressure. So we're gonna just add the kale in it, guys. This one finally is out. So that is it. I don't want to core too much of the apples because I'm not going to use so much, because as I said before, the cucumber have a lot of water to it. So I'll just use the pineapple. So let's cut our pineapple in half. Wow, my God, it starts to spoil. My goodness. So guess what, guys, we're gonna cut out the little piece, and we're gonna just use the parts that I can use, and we'll get rid of, let me see if I can take out, yep, we'll get rid of those brown parts because I can't waste it. That is the thing, when you buy pineapple you don't know, it was quite firm, so we're going to use those pieces. So we're gonna do the same thing. I cannot believe that my pineapple almost lose this. We'll use what we can use from it. So at least we're getting some of the good parts from it. So like here, I'll cut that off, I'll cut that off, and I'll cut this off, and then throw away. Yes, so we'll throw away this and still use up what we can use up. We're not gonna waste anything here. Let's turn this around and get this off. So this piece is small, so you can't cut it on the board. So we're gonna go in and do the same thing with the rest. I'll just have to peel. Yes, guys. Can't waste money. You take the good part off, just like that. Yep. And you take that part off, just like that. So you just throw away this. So at least I'll get some of the pineapple to use. I was hoping to use all of it, but you see what happens. I cut it and in the middle is brown. These are okay. So guys, we're gonna get into the juicing now because we finished. I'm just gonna go outside and get my kale. So guys, we're gonna cut a piece of mint. That's it. So guys, here I have more mint. So I'm gonna cut another piece from here, and we're gonna move over to our kale, which is nice and bushy. Look at it. We're gonna pick some pieces, maybe about 3 or 4 pieces. Let's go down the bottom and we're gonna pick. Oh nice, this is a big one. Look how nice it is. And guys, this is natural magnesium. Natural magnesium. So let's look. So this is what we have. Some fell in the grass, so I'll wash them. So this is what we get, guys. So guys, here is the kale that I picked from outside. I've washed them already. So I'm going to put them along with my pineapple, and we're going to start our juicing. So guys, we're going to start putting in our pineapples, big chunky piece, and on the other side we're going to put the cucumbers just like this. So this is how you put it, and then that's gonna start to go down, and we're gonna use the two sides this week. So guys, if you want to burn some calories, you can drink this drink and it will help you. I guarantee you that. I've tried it. And the cucumber cleans you. The pineapple get rid of all the inflammation in the body. So hope you all will try and make this super powerful drink. So guys, this drink helps to detoxify the body and cleanse the blood and much more. It gives energy too. And happy new year to everyone. This is how I start my new year, by having this lovely powerhouse drink. And of course, you know I'm going to use my Cool Revo A30. I love this juicer. So I added broccoli in this drink. It has vitamin C, boosts the immune system, promotes collagen, and it helps with also wound healing and iron absorption. So guys, who would want to try this drink? Broccoli also have vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. So as we age, we need things to put in our body so that we can just keep our bones healthy. This drink gives you a better brain function, guys, and it improves digestive health and much more. Keeps your mouth healthy, and it helps to even manage stress. So just now, guys, I was talking about the mint. So that is what I am putting in now with a piece of pineapple. So guys, let's let out our drink coming up now. So guys, we're gonna let out our first batch of juice. Let's go. Wow. So we're gonna start by doing the second batch of juice, guys. So let's get into it. So we're gonna pop our kale in. So we're gonna do it all over again, guys. Same method. We're gonna pop the apple in. Turn on our juicer now, guys. Pineapple, and we're gonna start. There is our juice. It's coming together in the mixing bowl. Look how rich and creamy this drink looks. No preservatives, guys. Fresh and nice. So let's pop another piece of broccoli in, along with some cucumbers, and everything will combine together. The apple is just gonna be the sweetener, guys, and I tell you, I've made this drink before. It is so refreshing. Look at the cucumber being crushed and squeezed into this lovely juice. So guys, comment down below and let me know who know that you could use broccoli to put in your juice with apples. Guys, now our mixing bowl is full and we are going to let out our second batch of juice. It's coming up to that time. So guys, we are going to let out our second batch of juice. There you have it. Pineapple, spinach, apple, kale, broccoli. And guys, I don't strain because it has a strainer, built-in strainer, and we need some of the roughage for our gut. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly just decorate my juice area with just few of the things that I use. I use some of the spinach leaves. Let me see if I can find any nice ones. Maybe, let's see. Oh, here we have it. So it's all green today, and we use pineapple, but however, I'm just gonna leave the pineapple out of the decoration, and we're gonna serve our drink, guys. So there you have it. This drink is loaded with magnesium, guys, to lower blood pressure and much more. I will list it in the description box. And we are going to pop 2 straws in, and let's use some pink ones. So there you have it, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and drinks. Hope you all will enjoy this video. And guys, when you have your pineapple that you cut off like this, you can plant it. So this is what I'm going to do with this. Just a little, you pull this off and you will see all the roots that coming up here from right here. So guys, have a lovely weekend. See you in the next video.